Welcome to Daddy Bits, our trade idea show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on? Teflon John here.
Tefleezy Fosheezy is in the heezy. Dude, how's your trades for the day?
Oh, did well, man. We called the Home Depot in our Discord channel, and if you guys haven't signed up yet, do check it out. We do have a free section as well.
So the question remains, John, is AMC over?
AMC is not over.
It is.
Apparently, after today.
You like my transition?
Yes. Thanks for changing the subject. I was not expecting that. We had a set of stocks that we're going to talk about, and AMC wasn't one of them.
No. Remember when I texted you earlier? I'm like, John, what stocks are we talking about today? And you were like, all right, let's talk about this, let's talk about that. And I'm like, all right, cool, those two, sweet. See, notice that I didn't put a third one in, John.
All right, let's talk about AMC.
I just ambushed, I just ambushed and bamboozled Tefleezy Fosheezy. Guys, is it over yet? If you are interested to find out our thoughts about AMC, make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up if you guys like this content. If you guys gave us a thumbs down, your mom's a hoe. And if you want us to cover any stocks, make sure you guys drop it down in the comment section below. And we'll get to it after this banging new intro.
Again. Again, the offer remains. We'll give you guys merch if you make us a beat. Right? Not bad.
There has to be a producer out there that's willing to make us a beat.
There are. We have a lot of followers that make beats. They just, it's either they're not motivated enough. It sucks because we've been talking about motivation,
I know. And as the Master Ape here, I feel slighted in some way, John. Just a little bit. All right. So let's take a look at the market conditions for the day. Beautiful market conditions, by the way. I had a fun time.
No, the Qs were great today.
The Qs were great today. Can I give you guys a confession about the Qs?
Yeah.
About what the Qs happened today. So I was in some calls. This is a dumb mistake from my part, right? This is a cautionary tale for you guys. Mm-hmm. So I hopped in the Qs. I bought the 345 strikes. 345 strikes, right? I made $60.
345?
I made $60. You know why?
Why?
Because I cut it too soon.
Oh, yeah. Because I was like, it's
contracts I had.
How many?
20. I had 20 contracts for the QQQ that expire tomorrow.
You know, who made $2,000 off of spy calls that expired tomorrow was Kyle. He showed me. He texted me.
Savage, dude. He
had 40 contracts.
Yeah. See what I mean? You see what I mean?
I can't stomach that, man. That's a lot of contracts.
I mean, if you're playing the intraday, on the market, on the Qs and the spies, there's money to be made. You just have to make sure.
What's the data on that one?
It doesn't matter.
Well, it was a day trade anyways.
It's a day trade anyway, so it wouldn't really matter.
Oh, man.
But this is a way for you guys to practice zero DTEs. Because
don't. I don't recommend zero DTEs, please.
Because the spy and the Qs, they expire every 2 days.
No, that's like, might as well give us your money. Don't.
Not necessarily. If you clearly see a nice trend.
I know, but not everyone's a day trader.
I know. I get it. Not everybody's.
They have to take the class.
They do. They do have to take the class. And in order for you guys to fully understand how to day trade properly, make sure that you guys hit up our Instagram page. We did post up a contest. Make sure that you guys follow the rules so that we could potentially give you guys a free trading course worth $1,000. $1,000. People pay $1,000 for these courses, John, just to learn how to trade, and we're giving it away for free. You are missing out on a great opportunity so that you can potentially be the master of your financial future. And if you're not finding a way to, you know, take the course, I'm sorry, you're missing out. Also, free seminar tomorrow if you guys are interested at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let's take a look at the Qs. QQQ was pretty.
Oh, it led today.
What's your personal opinion on tomorrow?
For tomorrow, if it is a red day, okay. So let's skip the Qs. Let's look at the futures right now. Because futures they're slightly up, okay, but I do see a slight pullback tomorrow. If it is a red day tomorrow, I would buy the dip.
Oh yeah,
on this one because it's been riding the EMA 9, and there's definitely strong support on the 9 because it bounced today. That was a nice clean bounce today off of the lows.
Exactly.
You see that lower wick, yeah.
Always expect this in the first 15 minutes of trading, right? Always remember that there's going to be people who are going to be taking profits, so that might flush. Right?
Yep.
But again, this is another opportunity for a 0 DTE, John.
Please don't.
No, actually, I got a car appointment tomorrow morning, so I'm not going to be able to watch. I'm going to actually sit out the first half of the day and then try to find something else.
Take care of your car.
No, and you know we're planning a nice trip. We just want to make sure the car's in tip top shape.
Oh, that's right. You guys going to Disneyland, huh?
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Hey, long DIS.
Long DIS for sure. Should we just go ahead and skip the SPY because it's pretty much the same exact thing?
Actually, well, quick word with the SPY.
All right, let's take a look.
SPY looks promising. It's the Dow that is struggling. The Dow is hit a resistance on the 9 into 50, and boomer stocks are going to struggle. And I think the rotation to growth stocks and tech stocks, it's here. It's right in front of us. It's happening.
Oh snap! So it bounced off of the
SPY is strong.
Yeah, the SPY's strong. I like it, and we're not even at all-time highs.
No, I do think this. Yeah. So for tomorrow's SPY, what you want to look at is around 421.50. If it breaks that, hold off on your buys. But if it bounces off of it, I mean, I would like to buy the dip on this one. I would buy on a red day. Yeah.
You see this trend right here?
Yeah, it is. It's alive. But the Dow is struggling.
Oh yeah, for sure. I think today was the Dow dead cat bounce.
Yeah,
today was.
Yeah, because it's hitting resistances right now. So
for sure,
we'll see.
All right, fellow apes. Let's get to it. Let's get to the main course before the side dishes. AMC. Like,
are we for real talking about it? Go ahead, because I thought it was dead today, and apparently it ain't.
No, it is not dead today. People, remember this wedge that I drew weeks ago?
It's alive.
It's alive. This wedge.
When does that end? This Friday?
Actually, let me adjust this because obviously we kind of went above there. But yeah, this kind of ends on Friday.
Oh, man, does that mean I have to sell it by Thursday?
Do you want to sell by Thursday?
What if it pops to 80?
What if it pops to 65,000?
My migraine is like coming back. It's like shooting.
So for the people who's not on the Discord, and I just want to get you guys an idea of some funny stuff that happened yesterday. So John and I were texting, and this fool says, because we have a side project that we're working on, right? And he was like, Nico, I'm a dreamer. I'm dreaming about how well this project could go. And I'm like, you know what? That's true. That's true. I'm also a dreamer, John, and I see AMC at 65K. And he goes, so my dreams are worthless to you, right?
You basically don't believe in my dreams. Thank you. That's my dreams, right? Because obviously AMC 65 grand is not going to happen. AMC 1,000 is not going to happen. AMC 120, yes, it's somewhat possible.
No, I do see AMC 120,000. That makes sense.
$120 per share. That's it.
120,000. No, I'm just kidding. So today's candle is actually fairly bullish in my opinion. That is a nice hammer. It bounced off of that level, that trend line.
Dude, this chart is alive. I thought it was dead when it was coming down today. It was down what 7% most.
Yeah, And yesterday, I guess there was some cause of concern because it was it was a flush yesterday from 64s, but it bounced off of the AMA9.
Yep.
So because today is just one of those days.
Look at the MACD. I'm afraid of that that crossover on the negative side, but really the RSI is not overbought. So I mean, no one can tell. I mean, I'm just here to experience a short squeeze. If I lose 30 grand, I'll lose 30 grand. But
you just want to feel it in your bones.
Yeah, man. I mean, the first run up, I only made 850, man.
This candle right here, John texted me, says, "Calm down, bro. Calm down."
It's alive. I was shooting you texts like every 15 minutes. I was like, "Yo."
It was like, "All right, I can see this. I know that he's not answering my text messages. Calm down." Calm down.
And you're like,
let's take a look at the stocks that other stocks that are also on the menu that we're fairly bullish on. Tilray.
Yes.
John, Tilray.
Okay, so this one we might still be early, but I am going to put this on my watch list. Here's a reason why. Okay, did you saw that article that I sent you?
Yeah,
California is going to be one of them.
Incentivize growers.
Yep, they're gonna pump. I think $100 million. I don't want to say gruesome Newsom. Gavin Newsom. Handsome Newsom will be pumping $100 million to the growers, and basically it's called a stimulus for the growers, right? Ever since weed's been legalized in California for since 16, hasn't really grown much. So he's pumping some money in there to see if the weed economy will see some results on that one. But let's look at Tilray. Let's look at what is that? The daily chart right there. Today it finished at a hammer. Okay, and I was comparing this chart, with other charts that I've seen that has similar patterns to this. And I've seen, multiple run-ups, right, with a breakout. And what we're anticipating here is a breakout. And we're looking at a daily chart right here, a breakout of 18. And really the first resistance is at 1790. Obviously, you have to factor in volume. Volume on average for the past 50 days is about 27 million. So anything above 27 million shares, that means this thing's pumping.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And we've made great calls on this one in our free seminar classes. A lot of people made good chunks of money on this one, and I think it's going to come up for a second round.
Okay. I like it. If we take a look at the options chain, even if you put it at September 17th, $3 for the $18 strike.
Yeah, that's not bad.
That's not bad at all.
You got plenty of time in that one. You can average down, DCA it. But you said September what? September
17th.
All right, so we'll put that on watch. September 17th. What strike?
The 18.
18? Do they have 17.5?
They don't have 17.5. 18
it is. Okay. So 18 September expiration. That looks juicy for $3 a contract. That's not bad. So
4,000 open interest, 4,500.
There you go. You heard it here first.
There's volume there. There's volume there. Also, I just looked up short interest for Tilray. Currently, it's at 16%.
It's high. Yeah. Tilray, that's why Tilray is volatile because of their short interest. And that's what I like. It moves
16%. So this is a good load up scenario. I feel like this is a good load up. We potentially could see this consolidate for the next few days if it doesn't pop tomorrow because of that news. But again, it's not like we're not telling you guys now what we're looking at, right?
Yeah, definitely put it on watch though. Like it's
for sure. But again, this isn't financial advice. These are just stocks that John and I are looking at to see if we could find entries and exits on our and value on the plays that we kind of go through and we talk about, and something that we like to bounce ideas off of each other. So if you guys are following our trades, make sure that you guys manage your risk accordingly. And if you guys are winning, just make sure that you guys give us a nice shout out, hit the subscribe button, tell your friends, tell them how you found out about the stock. Don't be a guru and says I did my own. No. Don't just don't. You gotta fake it to kick it. You just gotta you got a lot to kick it. Just be nice. Just give us the credit when we actually told you this stuff. And if you guys lose some money, it's not like we didn't warn you. But the next stock that we want to cover is actually a very pretty chart, John.
Yeah, it is.
Very pretty chart. The prettiest chart I've seen in a while.
I like it.
And that is DraftKings.
Oh, our next sponsor, our you know,
this is gorgeous.
The company that's going to sponsor us. All right, and you know, get us out of this hellhole. All right, so we're looking at ticker symbol DKNG, DraftKings. For all you degenerate apes out there, you already know what DraftKings is all about. Obviously, it's online betting. So today's candle was very nice. Okay, it had a nice past last couple of hours. You know, it kind of like pushed through.
Yeah.
And it broke resistance, but it's sitting at the 20. Okay, so how am I going to play this for tomorrow? Am I going to buy the dip? We'll see how pre-market goes tomorrow, because it did finish with a bull hammer. It finished at the very highest, and it continued to run towards the end of the day. And I think it finished at a 546, I think, end of day. So expect a little gap up, but you have here, check me out on this one. You have $50.20 for support and $49.90 for your last support. Most likely it will bounce, you know, off of the 20 or off of the 9. My first target is at 52. And then my next target after that is 55. This is a swing. I have calls for this one. It expires in August. I got plenty of time to DCA it. And then we'll see it from there.
We'll definitely see it. I do like it. I do like this DraftKings call. So if you guys are looking for a nice swing, DraftKings could be the one. You know, that would be awesome. And that is pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you guys find that very informative. If you guys like this information, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice now it's not a preemptive, it's a post-emptive now. Give us a nice thumbs up if you guys like this content. If you guys want us to cover stocks, make sure that you guys drop it down in the comment section below. Again, we can't stress this enough. We are running a contest worth $1,000. 1,000 buckaroos. You're not going to get $1,000, but the amount of information that you will get from taking this course is well worth more than $1,000. We have graduates from these courses that are, you know, showing gains, that are showing, you know, $200 a day, $300 a day, $400 a day, $500 a day. Even at a $250 a day, you're making $60K a year on top of what you're making right now.
Pushing buttons,
$60,000 pushing buttons on your phone
while in the bathroom.
We're not asking you guys. We're not asking you guys to find 7 different friends and make them sign up, because that's going to ultimately pay you. No. We're teaching you guys how to become masters of your own financial future. Whatever information that you guys get from these courses, it's entirely up to you to use. Right? There's no secret sauce. Obviously we're going to call out plays for you guys so you guys see what we're looking at, so that you guys can form your own opinion about the stocks that, you know, we're playing. We're not asking you guys to, it's not like we're pointing a gun at your head and say, hey, buy this. You know, it's not. We're wanting you guys to make your own decisions and do your own due diligence. Also, find a way to start, right? So, like, if we're going to take a step back, if I didn't reach out to John back in June, I wouldn't be this excited about the stock market. Like, I wouldn't even know where to start.
You would have never made, you know, some X amount of bands off.
Yeah. You know what I mean? If I didn't ask and seek this information, I would still be very reliant on my 9 to 5. Now, my 9 to 5 is another form of income now. Huh?
You have another form of income.
Yeah, there's another stream of income. Another stream of income. And this is the reason why we're stressing this, because this is an amazing opportunity for you guys to potentially put yourself and your family in a different tax bracket, because you're going to be enjoying these funds a lot more. Do you really want to be poor forever? I'm not rich. John's not rich, but it's giving us the confidence and giving us the.
We'll get there.
We'll get there, right? It's giving us the confidence.
I ain't gonna tell you.
To know that
I'm still not gonna tell you.
It's giving us the confidence to, like, it's giving me enough confidence to see like, oh crap, I could do this full time and I don't need my 9 to 5 job, as long as I do what's right and I follow my trade plans, right? And that's what we're gonna teach you, how to trade and get trade plans going.
That's it.
So why don't you go to our Instagram, look up the post, follow the instructions, join the contest, and maybe you can win.
Because right now, chances of you winning is a lot higher because there's only 7 entrants so far.
7.
And we posted this last night.
Exactly. So whoever doesn't join this, and again, I'm saying this right now, it is extended for another week. The winner will be drawn the weekend of July 3rd. The winner will be chosen July 3rd, right? So also, if you haven't yet, make sure that you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Investments. Follow up, hit up JSpeed so that you can get more information if you're not wanting to join the contest and you just want to join the courses. We have a free seminar tomorrow, which I'll be teaching. If you guys are interested in that, make sure that you guys hit us up for DM us so that we can give you guys that information. And with that being said, follow us on all our social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. Go to our store, tradingdaddies.com, so that you can find the merch that you would need to enter the contest. Right? and again, with that being said, make sure let's get trading. And remember, guys, that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.